Many students confuse percentage yield with percentage purity. The first thing to remember is this: percentage yield is about the product formed. Let's say a reaction is expected to produce 10.0 gram of product, but in the actual experiment, only 8.50 gram of product is obtained. We want to find the percentage yield. The word yield means product made. So, percentage yield compares the actual product obtained with the maximum product expected from the calculation. It is not asking how pure the reactant is. The formula is percentage yield equals actual product divided by theoretical product multiplied by 100%. The actual product is what you really get. The theoretical product is the maximum amount you expected, and it is worked out using calculation. Now, substitute the values. Percentage yield equals 8.50 divided by 10.0 multiplied by 100%. This gives 85.0%. So, the percentage yield is 85.0%. Remember, yield is about product form.